Welcome folks, Flip Knot here on the Road Glide, doing what it does best, and that's running errands. I've got a bunch of packages I need to go take to the UPS store to return, go to Target and return the worst pair of socks I've ever felt in my entire life. Run by Triumph, see if the parts that I ordered 3 weeks ago that were supposed to be 7 days are in, because I never got a call. Let's see what else. And Shelby wants to take the Daytona out one last time before we have to return it. I kind of want to ride it one last time again. My bag's been kind of screwy with me lately, so not exactly the most enticing motorcycle at the exact moment. But then again, neither is Big Bertha right here. But you're still a good girl. You do what you do and you do it well. Can't complain about that. Alright, let's get this done and over with as fast as possible. So I guess I forgot my wallet at home, and my grand total to return those packages was 30 cents. Freaking crazy and stupid. Luckily, the guy checking me out was an old friend from high school, or middle school. An old friend from middle school. I haven't seen in freaking 20 years. One very strange case of luck and irony. And, Doug, for seeing this, hit me up. Let's go grab a drink. It's good seeing you again, man. It's been forever. Ironically, one of the best features about this motorcycle being this whole entertainment center is very counterproductive for a YouTuber, because I can't use copyright material. So I want to listen to music, and typically it's in my helmet. But since it's coming out broadly out of here, I have to turn the music up and down every time I want to do something. Because when it's going to the center, you can't hear it. Double-edged sword, my friends. Double-edged sword. And it's not just a pause button either, which is a bigger problem. Because otherwise I can just pause the song, blabber on to you guys, turn the music back on. But when there's a good song, I have to decide which am I going to do. And sometimes that wins, guys. Sorry. Oh yeah, also, while I was inside a UPS store, Triumph called me and told me my parts were in. I guess they came in a week ago, and I guess there's a reason why the cute little girl that used to work there doesn't work there anymore. Go pick up my parts. Now I remember I have to do a U-turn to get into Tampa Triumph, and this thing is a land yacht. Let's see how this goes. Also, there's a lot of really bad traffic right here too, so it's not always the easiest place to do it. Like right now is a chance. You can do it, you can do it. Got it. Going on?
What's that, man?
Not much.
Hey, man, look at this thing, dude.
It's a land yacht.
Huh?
It's a
land yacht, for real, man.
This thing's ridiculous. Take a little longer.
I could.
Yeah, I know, that's the
I
problem.
could definitely take a walk.
Yeah, let's relax. Let's slow down.
Enjoying the AC.
I'm trying the reverse psychology thing. I'm trying the reverse psychology. No, just stay there.
Listen, I'm the psychology major here, okay?
Is it working?
No.
Oh, well, let's try something else. Don, thank you, man.
The whole film crew.
Saturday, right?
Thank you, Don.
Hey, take care, man. Enjoy.
Parts acquired. Family dinner time. We're going to Saigon Deli getting some yummy sandwiches.
Woo-hoo! Big boy bike. I got a big boy bike. The big boy bike. Are we following him? Does he know where he's going? Well, that was my fault for not being ready. Buy me goddamn sandwiches. I am excited. I haven't had one in forever. $3.50. This big. Very, very delicious and very exciting. Family dinner. For those of you that didn't know, Shay Lacey's 5 foot tall, and she just test rode a bunch of Triumphs. Go over to her channel, check it out. It's very rad to see a girl that size riding big boy motorcycles. Better than the big boys themselves. Nobody cares about him. Saigon Deli. Let's do this. Buy me sandwich time. It's time to do my third U-turn today. Still not very good at this. Ugh, God, I hate this thing. Sorry, I'm not used to driving boats.
Oh, doing a U-turn on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you get used to it. It's weird with that big bearing though.
I have to be like mentally prepared, like, all right, focus, push, lean, too far, too far.
You forget how much you rely on being able to see the front wheel when you ride the motorcycle.
Yeah. It's a fast couch you're driving, so.
It is. It's my land yacht.
Yeah, land yacht, I love that.
Shay, Asian market, a bunch of awesome candies.
Yeah.
Feast at Saigon Deli.
I'm having
Wonton,
now.
fuzz special, fuck condiments, spring roll, grilled pork banh mi, 2 more banh mi's for Shelby. Grab a piece of tenon.
If I felt self-conscious, I would lead a much different life than I do. I'm just kidding. I feel self-conscious. I just hate myself. That's all.
Tenon.
That's all.
Ew. I'm full now. Oh shit, yeah, that was awesome. Thanks, Saigon Deli. Delicious. Go check them out. Buy me sandwiches. $3.50.
All right, well, these kids are taking off on their own little ways. See you all later. See you later. David. Laters. Oh. I know you're in a hurry to get to Daytona. I'm not. Well, Dr. Tree Surgeon and Shay Lacey are heading back to their place to go finish up their videos. I'm heading back up to BSG to finish mine. Shelby's gonna go grab the Daytona one last time before we gotta return it back to Triumph. I might do a video on it as well in the next day or two. Who knows? It's a fun bike. My back hurts though. I need a chiropractor first. So I got some of my errands done, about half of them, and motorcycles kind of got in the way of the rest of them. It's still the middle of the day. Might still finish it, I don't know, but probably not on camera because I gotta go to Target and dump stuff like that. But whatever, you know. It's been a good day hanging out with friends, having a little family dinner, picking up my parts from Triumph. Thanks for everything, Don. Go check them out. They hook you up. Tell them you know me. But with that being said, that's what I'm gonna call this video. Folks, you know how this works. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you on the flip side.